Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Smyrna local, and long-distance movers near me. Choosing the right moving company for your cross-country move is a big deal. Our long-distance movers in Smyrna, Georgia will ensure all your things arrive safely and on time. We also offer many additional moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. The price of a local moving company in Smyrna, Georgia might not seem worth it. However, when you look at the benefits compared to doing it all yourself, the cost becomes easy to rationalize. When you hire the right local movers, you'll save time and won't have to do any heavy lifting. Plus, a good moving company will know exactly how to pack up your most fragile items. A professional moving company, such as 3 Movers, makes your local move convenient. You won't have to do any loading or unloading. It's even possible to hire us to handle your packing and unpacking. What might take you several days to do, we can complete in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Smyrna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.